Ready, start. Present appeals have been filed challenging common impugned judgment dated 18th March, 2024 passed by the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam in WA number 2213 of 2023, WA number 2206 of 2023 and WA number 66 of 2024, whereby the division bench of the High Court dismissed the writ appeals filed by the appellants herein and affirmed the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge allowing the writ petition filed by the private respondents. Full stop. Learned senior counsel for the appellants stated that the present appeals have been filed on behalf of 6 employees of the Kerala Water Authority who were inducted as draftsmen grade first. Full stop. He pointed out that 4 of these appellants had joined on various dates in the year 2005, while one had joined in the year 2001 and the sixth appellant had joined on 13th February, 2014. Full stop. He stated that the present set of appellants were promoted to the post of assistant engineers on various dates between 2015-16, except the sixth appellant, who was promoted on 22nd September, 2018. Full stop. He stated that the two private respondents, Mr. Anup V.S., had joined service directly as an assistant engineer on 8th May, 2017, while Miss Bindu S. had joined service on 2nd March, 2005 as an assistant engineer, but availed leave without pay during her probation period and rejoined only on 18th October, 2015. Full stop. He stated that the present dispute arises out of the seniority lists dated 20th April, 2022 and 14th February, 2023, whereby the appellants were shown to be senior to the respondents. Full stop. He stated that the learned single judge allowed the writ petition number 5277/2023 filed by the private respondents relying on an erroneous interpretation of the Kerala Public Health Engineering Service Special Rules, 1960, which, according to the appellants, do not apply up to the stage of promotion or appointment to the post of assistant engineer. Full stop. He submitted that appointment to the post of assistant engineer is solely governed by a separate set of rules called the Kerala Public Health Engineering Subordinate Service Rules, 1966. Full stop. He submitted that the special rules, 1960 require employees to exercise an option, that is for their further promotions, whether they want to be included in the single inverted comma degree quota single inverted comma close or the single inverted comma diploma quota single inverted comma close. Full stop. According to him, the fundamental error in the impugned order was that this requirement was read into the subordinate service rules, 1966 as well, despite a similar provision not being present in the 1966 rules. Full stop. He contended that employment in Kerala Water Authority is governed by two different sets of rules. Full stop. He further stated that in accordance with the subordinate service rules, 1966, an assistant engineer could either be appointed through direct recruitment or promoted from the post of a draftsman, full stop. According to him, out of the 60% quota for direct recruitment, 6% had been carved out for in-service draftsmen with an engineering degree. Full stop. Further, the educational requirement for 40% promotion quota was set out in the schedule, according to which an employee must possess a diploma. Full stop. Pertinently, for a draftsman holding an engineering degree, there was no requirement of giving an option as to the category in which the appointment as assistant engineer was sought. Thus, the 6% in service direct recruitment are the 40% promotion, full stop. He stated that insofar as the appellants were concerned, it was not in dispute that they all had obtained an engineering degree much prior to their promotion as an assistant engineer, full stop. However, the appellants had also applied for direct recruitment in the 6% in service quota, and despite being included in its select list, the appellants had declined their appointments as they had already been appointed in the 40% promotional category before the declaration of results of the recruitment exam in the 6% quota, full stop. Learned Senior Counsel stated that the appellants having been promoted were governed for their future promotions to the post of Assistant Executive Engineer by the Special Rules, 1960, full stop. He emphasized that what applied to the appellants or any other candidate seeking promotion to Assistant Executive Engineer was Rule 4 within bracket B of the Special Rules, 1960, full stop. He submitted that the aforesaid proviso would apply only once the appellants were seeking promotion to the post of Assistant Executive Engineer, full stop.